Hi, my name is Adi Prakash. I'm from Chanakya National University. I'm presently an intern at LexTech. In this video, we're going to talk about espionage and a very highlighted case that led to the Nambi Narayan's arrest for the offense of espionage, from which he was acquitted in the year of 1998. Now, what is espionage and what are the laws that revolve around this offense? Espionage is the act of sharing secret or confidential information of one's country to its enemy country or any other country that they're not supposed to. And Official Secret Act 1923 is the act that deals with espionage and the punishment given to a person guilty for the offense. Now, this act that we are talking about, Official Secret Act 1923, it was prevalent in the British era also, but even now it's used for making people accountable and get for the offense of espionage that they commit. Now, what is what were the things that are stated in this act? It is that it states clearly that the actions which involve helping an enemy state against India are strongly condemned. It also states that one cannot approach, inspect, or even pass over a prohibited government site or area. According to this act, helping the enemy state can be in form of communicating a sketch, plan, model of an official secret or of official codes or passwords to the enemy. What is the prosecution and penalties under this act? They are the imprisonment goes from a time period of 3 years to a life imprisonment if it is found that the intent of the person doing the offense of espionage, committing the offense of espionage, was to intend a war between the countries. It is given under the act that even if the person was a part of a plan of espionage and played that part unintentionally, even that person is going to be held accountable and would be penalized under that. Now, what is the case of Nambi Narayan's arrest? He is an Indian scientist and he is an air space engineer. In the year of 1994, he was arrested. He's an official member of Indian Space Research Organization, and he was in charge of cryogenic division. In 1994, he was falsely charged with espionage, and he was arrested along with 2-3 other people, along with the then director of ISRO, and along with a Mandalorian citizen and another Mandalorian citizen who was a friend of Mr. Nambi Narayan, and the charges against him were dismissed by CBI in 1996, and in the year of 1998, the Supreme Court held that he was not guilty of the offence. Now, in the year of 2018, Supreme Court gave a decision that the state government should compensate Mr. Nambi Narayan for the unlawful, unjustified arrest, and for which he should be given 50 lakh rupees as a compensation. And the Supreme Court also set up a committee that was headed by Supreme Court Judge D.K. Jain to inquire into the roles of the Kerala police in the arrest of Mr. Narayan, and he was awarded. Mr. Narayan was awarded India's third highest civilian award, that is the Padma Shri, in the year of 2019. Now, this case is still making headlines since the year 1994, is because even after so much contribution of Mr. Nambi Narayan in the field of science, in the field of in ISRO's achievements, even after that he was made to go through 2 years of complete abhorrent behavior of the system, and at the same time the Kerala police along with the state government, they were to be blamed according to him, and this case is still making headlines is because he, after being so celebrated for his work, was made to go through the entire process, which was extremely unjustified, and it was only because some people in the system made some kind of mistake. That brings up the question whether the laws that surround espionage and how people should be treated, how people should be examined and tried under this offense works properly or not, and is it effectively mechanized, and how the laws are implemented, and these things are brought under question, so that another person who is falsely implicated for something that they did not even do not have to go through the heinous system where they are penalized unjustifiably for the work that they do. And for further details, you can follow the recent headlines for the cases that has been going on, where Mr. Ryan has given his statement for the committee that is being set up to question and see what went wrong and how it worked. Thank you.